Opening Comfy for the first time feels like walking into a laboratory. You're looking for a simple text bar, and instead, you get wires and boxes. Looks confusing, but in reality, Comfy doesn't just take your prompt. It lets you control the logic behind it. In this video lesson of ComfyUI, we're stripping away the complexity and looking at the three things that actually make or break your images: the clip boxes, weighting, and the seed. In Comfy, we treat what we want and what we don't want as two equal forces. Let's zoom a little. Look at your KSampler. You've got two input slots, positive and negative. The top clip text node is linked to positive. This is your wish list. You enter a prompt here, like a man dressed like Robin Hood, wearing a red hat and black boots. The bottom clip text node is linked to negative. This is your trash can. Anything you put here, the AI actively pushes away from, like low quality, worst quality, bad anatomy, extra limbs text. Let's hit run to generate an image. Better, but not what I expected. We asked for black boot. It gave us brown. This is where weighting comes in. In Comfy, we use parentheses and a colon to tell. Pay attention to this. Wrapping a word like this, bracket, black boots, colon, 1.2, bracket close. This gives it 20% more importance. Let's run again to see how it looks. Perfect. Here's a tip. You can also highlight your word and hit Control and the up arrow. It'll automatically wrap it and boost the weight by 0.05 every time you click. Don't go higher than 1.5. It will break colors. Let's explore KSampler settings now. There is a number known as a seed. Every image starts as noise, like a TV channel with no signal. The seed number is the recipe for that noise. If your control setting is fixed, the seed number won't change. So you can generate the same image again and again, if the prompt remains same too. Randomize is the opposite of fixed. It changes the noise with every image, which results in a totally new image every time, even with the same prompt. Let's play to see how it looks. Increment will increase the seed slightly with every generation, and decrement will decrease the seed slightly. Other than the seed, KSampler has some other settings too. But for a beginner, my advice is to just copy these settings from the Civitai page from where we downloaded the model in the second lesson. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next Comfy lesson where you learn how to upscale images. Take care and bye.